Hello, hello. Welcome to Language Broker English Lessons. Today we listen to another short story. Do not translate, just listen. It was a sunny Saturday morning. Lisa woke up early. She had a big smile on her face. Today was a special day. Her whole family was coming to visit for dinner. Lisa lived with her husband, Mark, and their two children, Jenny and Danny. Lisa loved to cook, and she wanted to make the best food for her family. Jenny, Danny, wake up, Lisa called. We have a lot to do today. The children ran downstairs. What are we making, Mom? Jenny asked. We are making spaghetti, salad, and a big chocolate cake, Lisa said. Yay! I love spaghetti, Danny cheered. Lisa gave everyone a job. Jenny washed the tomatoes, lettuce, and cucumbers for the salad. Danny helped mix the flour, sugar, and eggs for the cake. Mark cleaned the dining table and put out plates, forks, and glasses. By noon, the house smelled delicious. The cake was baking in the oven, and the sauce for the spaghetti was bubbling on the stove. At 5 p.m., the family started to arrive. Lisa's parents, Jenny's grandparents, were the first to walk in. Hello, everyone, Grandpa said with a loud voice. Hi, Grandpa and Grandma, Jenny and Danny shouted. They ran to give them big hugs. Soon, Lisa's brother, Uncle Tom, arrived with his wife, Aunt Lucy, and their baby Lily. Everyone said, "Aw," when they saw baby Lily. Dinner is ready, Lisa called. The family sat around the big dining table. There was laughter and talking as they ate the food. The spaghetti is amazing, Lisa, said Grandma. Thank you, Mom, Lisa replied with a smile. After dinner, it was time for dessert. Danny brought the chocolate cake to the table. I helped make this, he said proudly. Everyone clapped. They ate the cake and drank tea. Before leaving, Grandpa stood up and said, "Family is the best gift we have. Thank you, Lisa, for bringing us together tonight." Lisa felt happy and thankful. She looked around the room at her family and thought, I am so lucky. The end. Good job listening to the story. You did learn a lot of new words today, so go back and listen so you can get familiar with those words. As always, practice, 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 because practice makes you better. Thank you for watching. Please click like, click subscribe, go to the next lesson. I will see you soon for the next short story. I hope you have a wonderful day, and please leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know how your English lessons are going. Have a good day.